Okay, guys, so I know I talked to you guys about these amazing Delta 8 edibles from Purrple Alien. This guy is based out of Wisconsin. I already had the Lucky Charms, which is the monthly cereal bar that they're doing right now. And then I'm about to finish my Captain Crunch Berry. They're 1,000 milligram Delta 8. They're like this, so tread lightly when you eat these because a little bit goes a long way. They're like, it's still so moist. And they taste so good. They're so good. Like, I would buy this at a bake sale. Absolutely. I buy a dozen of them. That's how good they taste. The Delta 8, fuck yes. I wonder if they sell them by the case. I might have to look into that. Yes, purple with 2 R's. Purrple Alien. And there's a few different flavors. I highly recommend this one. He sent me this one because it's one of his favorites. And man, I've said this earlier and I will say it again. This thing fucking slaps. Like, you just start small. You can tell, man, it's already hitting me. No, but seriously, the pain from my surgery, it's the only thing that's helped. I was able to go off of my prescription of pain pills once I started using these. So I am most certainly going to order some so that I can continue to, be on the mend. Highly recommend, highly recommend. 5 out of 5 stars, hands down. Yeah, best first experience I could have with Delta 8, I think. And just a great edible experience. Yeah, I'm a fan, and you should be too.